Yo, dogs! It's me. Another day. Going to do an oil change. Not going to show you how because I'm still getting used to my new setup. I'm also going to try and fix the vacuum lines on the fuel stuff so I stop pissing fuel every time I fill up. I'm going to try and get the vent tube hooked up to the transmission and transfer case so I don't suck water when I'm dicking around. And I'm going to try and fix the four-wheel drive because last time it was really raining, I was plowing through giant puddles and I'm sure I got water in them because now it doesn't work. So, I'm going to get to work, I'm going to turn my music on. I'll check back with you in a little bit. All right. Oil is changed. One of my worst oil changes ever. That's also how black the oil was. There's a lot more underneath. Oh, but nice and clean now. You don't see nothing on there. In a few weeks, I'm gonna pull the valve covers. This cover, and all this garbage. And I'm going to replace the valve guide seal so I stop burning oil. So then I will replace my oil when I'm supposed to instead of just adding more and more because it burns so much. But that's in a few weeks. Ordering a special tool. You'll see it all. That's update number 1. Now back to working. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more stuff done. Update you in a little bit. That sucks, my outro video didn't save. But oil's changed. Thing that was fucking up my tires chopped off. Four-wheel drive is fixed. It ended up being just low fluid. That's annoying. Anyways, okay, that's going to be annoying also. But, things go on. Totally lost. Like, rate, comment, subscribe, I don't know. End of video. Peace out. Alright, last update for the night. Yeah. No bueno. But, oh, we fixed another thing. The center console thingy, the Velcro, didn't stick to the wood very well, so I stapled it down. Now this isn't all over the place. Could use a little bit more, but whatever. The vent tube I can't get on. I'm going to have to actually drop the transmission down a little so I can get to the top. But everything's too hot. The fuel lines here that I was going to fix, I have to lift the whole bed up. I got to empty it, undo some bolts. It's a real pain in the butt. It takes a while. That's going to have to wait. But I did fix the four-wheel drive. I thought it was the plug from the water. Turns out it was just low fluid. Filled it up. Started the truck up. Switches in and out just fine. So, good to go. So oil change. The transfer case, I need to change the fluid eventually because it's gross. But it's full. I was going to fix the oil catch can, which I don't think I have a video on. But if I plug it in back here to up here somewhere, it gets a lot of oil out of my system, which will be good because the intake just was dripping with oil, but I need better hoses. Oh, shit. And I fixed that bolt that was sticking way out, chopping up my tire. So I think this was a pretty successful day. We're going to call it a day because it is now almost 8 o'clock. It's getting dark out. I don't have good lights to work with. Maybe I'll work on this some more tomorrow. Probably not because I'm lazy. And I feel like I got a lot done. And I do have a long vacation coming up soon to get a lot of stuff done. I think I'm going to shower. Go buy a frozen pizza. Cook that up. Maybe eat a German wiener instead because I'm really lazy and I don't even want to go to the store. But we'll see. We'll see. Oh, look at that sleepy baby. He loves it outside. Loves this hot weather just like I do. But we're going to take it for a little test drive. Make sure everything's good. But yeah. Oh, one other thing. Let me pop that hood back open. Oof. Do 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 do. So I need to figure out how to remove this properly. But you will notice this goes all the way and goes underneath. I was trying to unconnect it from the injector. There's weird little clips on it, and I was pulling on it. It wasn't budging as far as I could tell. It must have budged just enough because that injector stopped working and the truck was running really horrible and I couldn't figure out why. Ran my scanner. Said there was a fuel injector problem and I remembered exactly what it was. So I pushed that back in and it's working great now. So I'll have to figure that out so I can fix that. Figure a mount for my catch can. Maybe just buy a whole kit that's made for my truck. Because the one I got is pretty... That's pretty cheap. That was like 15 bucks. I got it because it's purple. I got it because of this thing here. And because it was really cheap, I didn't know if it was actually going to work on my truck or not. But that's good. So I might get the Moroso $125 kit. We'll see. We'll look around, see what I can find, what I like. Anyways, this is JoJo out. Big Mike is sleeping over there. Like, subscribe, comment, do something. I want to know something. Tell me something. Anyways, yeah. Try something new. I did. And I fixed something. Yeah, anyways. Peace out, homies.